Welcome back. The AI landscape has completely shifted in 2026. The days of simple chat interfaces are long gone. Today, standalone reasoning models have evolved into autonomous agents, context windows have scaled to millions of tokens, and multimodal processing is flawless. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, these are the top 10 AI models and agents you need in your daily stack right now. Taking the number 1 spot is Anthropic's brand new Claude Fable 5. This model is so advanced that the US government temporarily placed it under strict export controls in June due to its unprecedented cybersecurity capabilities. Fable 5 features adaptive thinking that is always active, meaning it seamlessly thinks ahead on complex problems. Combined with Anthropic's new task budget feature, you can assign Fable a budget and let it autonomously build entire applications while you step away. It is the undisputed king of long-horizon reasoning. Slipping to number 2 is OpenAI's GPT 5.5. In 2026, OpenAI fully merged their rapid response models with their deep reasoning O-series. GPT 5.5 dynamically scales its compute time based on the complexity of your prompt. Ask a simple question, it answers instantly. Give it a complex physics problem, and it will compute for 10 minutes before replying. Combined with its seamless ability to browse the live web and execute tasks flawlessly, it remains an absolute powerhouse with a near-zero hallucination rate. Coming in third is Google Gemini 3.1 Pro. Google has perfected the massive context window, pushing it reliably to 10 million tokens. You can drop an entire library of textbooks, an hour of 4K video, and a massive code base into a single prompt. Because Gemini processes video and audio natively, rather than converting it to text first, it picks up on incredibly subtle visual cues and tones of voice that other models are completely blind to. Fourth is Meta's Llama 4 Scout. The open-source community hasn't just caught up, it's leading the charge. Llama 4 packs frontier-level reasoning into a hyper-efficient model that you can run locally on consumer hardware. This is the absolute favorite for enterprise companies, because it means zero data privacy risks. You get GPT-level intelligence running on your own offline servers, entirely free from the corporate guardrails and internet dependencies of the other giants. At number 5 is Cursor 3 Pro. This isn't just a language model, it is the ultimate environment for developers. Cursor 3 acts as an AI software engineer that lives directly inside your editor. It understands your entire repository's architecture. Instead of asking it to write a single function, you ask it to add a payment gateway, and it will orchestrate changes across your front-end, back-end, and database simultaneously, predicting your next edits before you even type. Number 6 is xAI's Grok 4.3, the ultimate tool for real-time research. Grok taps directly into the live firehose of X, giving it up-to-the-second awareness of breaking news, cultural trends, and financial markets. If you are a day trader, researcher, or journalist, Grok's ability to instantly gauge global sentiment is unmatched. It's incredibly fast, highly cost-effective, and maintains its signature rebellious, unfiltered tone, free from heavy corporate censorship. Number 7 represents a massive shift: autonomous agent frameworks, spearheaded by tools like Victor. These aren't chatbots you have to prompt. They are digital employees. Victor integrates straight into your Slack or Teams. It reads background conversations, proactively suggests taking over administrative tasks, manages your calendar, and even sits in on Zoom calls to execute the action items discussed. It is literally like having a relentless, genius project manager that never sleeps. 8th on our list is the industry disruptor, DeepSeek V4 Pro. This model shook the entire Silicon Valley ecosystem by matching frontier-class coding and math capabilities at literally a fraction of a cent per million tokens. For developers and startups needing to process massive datasets, run complex web scrapers, or deploy high-volume consumer apps, DeepSeek is the ultimate financial cheat code, proving that extreme intelligence doesn't have to be expensive. At number 9, Google Veo 3 has officially won the AI video war. While earlier models struggled with weird morphing shapes and broken anatomy, Veo 3 understands true 3D physics natively. It generates cinematic, photorealistic 4K clips with flawless camera movement. Even better, it now auto-generates perfectly synced sound effects and ambient audio right out of the text prompt. The uncanny valley is completely gone. It's a Hollywood studio in your browser. Rounding out our list at number 10 is Midjourney V7. Despite fierce competition, Midjourney remains completely untouched for pure aesthetic quality and artistic soul. V7 finally solved the dreaded text rendering issue, allowing for perfect typography in images. But the real massive update is character consistency. You can now generate a single character and place them in hundreds of different scenes, outfits, and lighting conditions with perfect, exact continuity. The era of looking for one single best AI is officially over. In 2026, the real skill is knowing how to route the right task to the right specialized model. Which of these AIs makes up your daily stack? Did I miss any major ones? Let me know down in the comments, hit the like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology. See you next time.